In the Philippines, back in 1992, Pepsi rolled out a number fever campaign. This campaign was aimed at increasing the market share. It was a simple lottery game. Buy Pepsi, collect bottle caps, and these bottle caps had three-digit numbers. Watch the daily announcement of the winning numbers and collect your prizes. Simple. This campaign was an instant hit. Market share rose from 4% to 25% in just matter of months. One day, Pepsi announced the jackpot number as 349. Pepsi had printed over 6 lakhs of these 349 numbered bottle caps. This mistake was worth over $20 billion. Now, what will Pepsi do? What happened next is what you guys are curious about, right? I will now tell you why you are so curious to know what happened next. Now, this is a story which I stopped narrating at a point called climax. Now, what is this point? One way of telling a powerful story is a dramatic arc, which I'll explain so that you'll understand what this is. The story should start with the first step, that is exposition: who, where, and when of the story. Then it should be a rising action, that is incident, something which is a starting point of tension. Then comes the third thing, that is climax, where I stopped the story. That is the highest point of tension, guys. Then falling action, the tension should reduce, and then resolution, which will inspire some action. You can actually find the pattern, the dramatic arc, in any story you must have liked in the past. Maybe in any movie which changed your behavior, some movies which had an impact on you for a very long time followed a structure which is similar to dramatic arc. You tend to remember so many small details because of the hormonal change the story brings in. Next time you see a movie, try to find patterns like the dramatic arc. This will make you better at storytelling. Maybe we need to go back a little when we talk about presenting stories. What happens to the human brain when a story is told? Two contradictory things happen. Love hormone is released and stress hormone is released. Oxytocin and cortisol. You can check the same. This is a research behind. There is a lot of research behind this conclusion. When these two hormones are present in the bloodstream together, it changes behavior. Now, the question to answer is, which kind of story will help release these two hormones? Definition of a story will help us understand what a story is. Story is a way to connect, to transfer knowledge, to win hearts and minds. Story is not a marketing buzzword. Story is an human experience, an experience of human transformation. What is this experience? It is created in the mind of the listeners. Human stories have to have human, okay? Your data is not human. And then transformation, because people feel and live that human experience. Stories have a lot of power. Stories are heart of branding. If you own an iPhone, you have paid much higher than the cost of the phone. If you are at Starbucks, the coffee is going to cost you a lot more than the cost of the ingredients. Stories are also heart of an interview. In any interview, what essentially you are doing is telling a story about yourself, which should inspire action, that the recruiters should select you. Maybe not you, but your story. Agree? Storytelling is an integral part of data science, not only data science, but all the client facing roles. That is the reason why we have included a storytelling module in our business analytics course. You may find the link to the course below in the description box. Next video will be specific to storytelling in data science, so subscribe and hit the notifications button. Thank you for watching.